I don't know if you guys can see. There's elk. Might be too far away. You can't get close to elk. It's too dangerous. Especially because I think that might be a mom with a kid. And then there's some out here in the woods. It's starting to sprinkle.
Sure is. Definitely want to go get my jacket. So cool.
Hey, little baby trillium. And you can see, I don't know if you can see.
Place to grab
It's starting to rain. Yeah, right now we're kind of on a horse trail. I don't think it stays a horse trail, but it's sprinkling a little. We've been planning this for a couple of weeks though. For
several weeks.
For Jess's birthday.
We've been so excited, but it keeps like going on it like back and forth if it's gonna rain or not.
It is sprinkling, but it's not bad as of right now.
Yeah, so. There are chances of thunderstorms all day though.
Yeah. There's just some old cabins on this trail that we wanted to go see. We haven't seen before, but I think it's like 10 miles round trip. So I don't know if we'll get to do the whole thing.
Yeah, we started out a little early because we weren't sure about the weather, and I mean, we started out a little late.
Yeah, we were trying to let the weather pass, but it really didn't. So we'll go as far as we feel like we can. If it starts to seem like it's gonna pour on us, we're gonna turn around. We are walking beside this gorgeous creek. Those are big elk. They're looking at us.
There's some little horns. I wonder if they're males.
They grow new horns every year, right?
Yeah.
That's crazy to me.
They do have horns.
Yeah, they do. Hopefully you guys can see them.
So far we got these little laurel bushes I was looking at recently. So pretty.
Oh, good.
Tim didn't notice.
Yeah, I'm not surprised. I don't know that I would have either.
Yeah. I think I'm noticing them because we put them there.
Yeah. It's okay. We're friendly. Please don't charge us. He's watching us though. He is watching us pass.
He sure is watching us. It's scares me about. That's cool.
It's a cool looking. It's weird. It almost looks like it shouldn't be in the mountains.
Yeah, it definitely.
Looks like a flatland stream.
Yeah.
I don't see any wildlife in it.
Kind of flirty.
Yeah. It's raining. Oh, look over there. Look at a landslide.
Oh, goodness.
We knew there was a chance it was going to rain. A pretty good chance, actually.
Yeah, I think there's like a 60% chance.
But we decided to do it anyway. Trying to get that rock wall across there. It's pretty cool. I guess somebody used to live over there.
Yeah, this is kind of stalking going right now. I feel like if it's gonna rain anywhere, it's gonna rain puddles.
Well,
Wash of shame.
so we decided
It's raining pretty hard.
it's raining too hard. We're turning around, and we might just go to some of the buildings that we can kind of just drive to. I already paid for parking, so.
Yeah, that's super annoying.
Yeah, oh well.
You can give it to someone.
I don't know. But yeah, we got a hotel room for the night. We're gonna just go hang out. It really was looking hopeful when we first got here. The sky was blue. Yeah. Well, but yeah, you can see it's no end in sight. Look at the little baby trillium, and its leaves are full of water. So cute.
So pretty.
So pretty. stopped raining, but now we've already turned around, so. Well, it hasn't stopped, I guess. I can still feel it a little bit. Maybe it does go that way. There's this bridge right here, and we don't know where it goes, so we're just gonna go over here and see. It looks like it goes nowhere. We gotta be careful because it's wet.
Oh wow. Yeah, it's really wet.
Walk cautiously. It's not really slick though, from what I can tell. There's nothing over here. There's no trail. I don't know what that is. Why is there a bridge over here? There literally is nothing over here. Why take the time?
I wonder what this used to be. There's an old...
Yeah, there is kind of like a wall looking thing right there.
And then what's that?
Of course, the bridge could be super old.
Is that a well?
Well, non-potable water. Oh, it is.
Some old well or something.
Oh, that's kind of cool.
Yeah, you can get it.
Yeah. So I guess they built the bridge just for that. These fields are pretty cool. There's turkeys over there. I don't think you can see them, but look at the clouds kind of settling in.
And the dogwoods.
Everything's trying to turn green. It wants to be spring. It's just taking a little time. But that's a really pretty view. They're chasing each other.
Oh, that one won.
That one's not even trying anymore. I don't even know if you can see them from that far away.
I don't know. Follow them to the nest.